Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the update on JASMY. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of JASMY was gearing up after testing the support of a down channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that the price line, after gearing up from the support, could not break out this uptrend line, very long-term uptrend line resistance so far. And it is getting rejected by this resistance again and again. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line is a very long-term resistance because previously it was working as a very long-term uptrend line support. That was, by the way, found here in the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that has happened here from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge almost for the past 2 years, even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far from this low to here, you can see that it has rallied more than 2,069%, but could not break out this long-term resistance on that start from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Zcash, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also find the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this channel. Since after 8th of December 2024, it is moving inside this channel. We got rejections here by the resistance. Then we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another rejection here. Almost had another bounce here, rejection. Then you had another bounce here, rejection. And now the price line is once again dropped down at the support. It was geared up, by the way. Here we had a long spike to the downside, and the price line even tested the next long-term support of 1.92 cents as well. That was previously working as a support here, resistance here, and support here, and support here, and support here as well. And now again, it is working as a very, very nice support. And the price then geared up and re-entered the same channel, could not break down the support even. You can see that this was just a spike beyond this support. And now we have broken down this very significant uptrend line support that is now flipped into resistance. And for the past several days, whenever the price is getting bounced from the support of the channel, it is getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance. Therefore, this time, in order to read the resistance of the channel, we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance is coming from the month of October 2023. Previously, it was working as a support, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And if the price then breaks out this resistance, then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 3 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 to 6.1 cents, we have a very long-term resistance line. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that recently it was working as a resistance line here from 5 cents to 6.1 cents. Before that, it was working as a resistance line here. We got rejection here. And before that, it was working as a support line here as well. Therefore, this time it can again work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of JASMY. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and we also broke out this descending triangle as well. We have already hit the target for the breakout from this triangle, but so far the price end could not hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.